In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Elementor with WordPress. If you want an easier way to design pages visually inside WordPress, Elementor is one of the most popular tools you can use. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find it, install it, and activate it from your WordPress.com dashboard so you can start building with it right away. To begin, go to your WordPress.com account and open your site dashboard. From there, head to the My Home area. This is your main control center where you can manage the most important parts of your site. If you're new to WordPress.com, take a second to look around so you know where everything is before moving on. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Plugins. This section is where you can browse, install, and manage extra tools that add new features to your website. Since Elementor is a plugin, this is exactly where you need to be. After the plugins page opens, use the search bar and type Elementor Website Builder. Make sure you enter the name clearly so the correct result appears. Searching for the full plugin name helps reduce confusion, especially if several similar page builder plugins show up in the results. When you see the plugin called Elementor Website Builder, more than just a page builder, click on it. This will open the plugins page where you can confirm that you've selected the right one. It's always a good idea to quickly review the plugin title before installing, just to avoid adding the wrong tool to your site. Next, click Upgrade and Activate. This is the step that connects Elementor to your WordPress site by installing the plugin and turning it on. Depending on your plan and current setup, WordPress.com may process this immediately, or it may prompt you to review your plan options first. If you don't already have a plan that supports plugins, or if you're not on a paid plan, you may see a message letting you know that plugin access requires an upgrade. In that case, you'll need to choose a plan that includes plugin installation before you can continue with Elementor. This is a WordPress.com requirement, not an Elementor issue, so keep that in mind if the activation button doesn't work the way you expect. Once that's done, Elementor will be connected to your WordPress site and you'll be ready to start customizing your pages with a visual editor. If you found this helpful, you can now move on to creating or editing a page and begin designing with Elementor.